Hello and welcome to Investor's Edge. Today I'm going to show you where you can find GIC offerings on our platform and how you can purchase them in just a few simple steps. When you log into your account, you will hover over or click on Trading and select GICs and bonds. From there, you will select Buy GICs, which will bring you to a list of CIBC GICs available for purchase. When you find a suitable choice, you simply click on the underlined rate, which will bring you into the trade ticket. Once you select your account, provide the amount you are looking to purchase, noting that there is a $5,000 minimum initial investment required. Select the currency you're looking to purchase with and click Next. This will bring you to the order review page where you will input your trading password to submit the GIC purchase ticket. If you are looking for alternatives, we also have a number of GICs from other issuers which can be found under third-party GICs. Here, you can toggle to see the rates offered under different interest payout options, whether it is monthly, semi-annually, annually, or compounded and paid out at maturity. You would go through the same steps to purchase these GICs as you would the CIBC ones. If you are looking for an investment where your principal is guaranteed but still want some market exposure, you can access our market-linked GIC offerings here, also known as MLGICs. Not sure what an MLGIC is? Like our traditional GIC, MLGICs guarantee 100% repayment of your principal at maturity, regardless of any down market movement. Here's the main difference. If the market goes up, the MLGIC offers the potential to outperform traditional GICs, and you can learn more about MLGICs here. There you have it. You see just how easy it is to purchase GICs online. Happy trading.